This only costs 10 bucks. I'm about to show you every single bonus inside of this membership. It includes 111 pre-written emails, a full affiliate marketing domination course, and a copywriting cheat sheet. And most people don't even know that this exists at the $10 level. And I kind of feel like that's a problem. And that's exactly why I'm making this video, is I want to show you exactly how to get $1,500 worth of marketing courses for just $10. And all of it is through the Home Business Academy bonuses. Because honestly, when I found out that all of this was included at the basic $10 membership level, I was kind of stunned that more people aren't talking about it. So first I want to talk about what are you actually buying when you opt in at the $10 level. And I talk a lot about our all-in-one business system, which has the funnel builder, the content creation tools, all of the courses and masterminds and trainings that we do every week. And all of that is amazing and worth every single penny. But it costs $160 a month. And as a mom, I know that sometimes you just can't swing an extra $160 a month, even if you know it's going to be worth it. And let's be honest, when you're starting something new, you don't know if it's going to be worth it. So here's what you're going to get for $10. Let me share my screen. When you opt in to the Home Business Academy at the $10 level, you're getting the app that we call Let's Go. Now, it's all in one app. It's all in one dashboard, but this tab here is the Let's Go tab. And this is what you're getting for $10. It's our daily planner and goal tracker. And in here, you can create a morning routine with all of these segments to check off, edit however you want it. You can take notes, create notes throughout the day, track your goals, track your habits, and even track your nutrition. You can track your daily to-do list. Like, it's got a lot going for it. It's a really cool app, and it's available on desktop and on mobile. So you can have access to it on your phone as you're going through your morning routine. But what does this have to do with business? So all of our products come with access to an affiliate program, meaning you become an affiliate, you promote the product, and you get the commission. Even our $10 product has this option. So if you click over here to the affiliate tab, then you're going to see all of the affiliate resources. Now, I want to make clear that this is important whether or not you want to be an affiliate for this product. This is important if you want to be an affiliate for any product on the internet. If you want to be an Amazon affiliate, if you want to be an affiliate for some other product that you love, like some kind of health product or whatever it may be, or maybe you're even in an MLM and you want to learn how to promote your MLM better. Like, these resources, these bonuses are going to be helpful for you with all of that, and only for $10. Okay. So what you get here is you scroll down and look for the bonus vault. It's the bottom tab over here on the side. And this is all the bonuses that you get. So I'm going to focus on a couple of the big ones. Number one, the affiliate marketing domination course. This is a course that was created by Mike Hobbs, who is probably one of the world's best affiliate marketers. And this course alone would probably cost you several $100s if you were to purchase it on its own. And you're getting it for free with the $10 product. It walks you through the exact strategy that Mike used to hit the top of the leaderboard in every affiliate contest he's ever entered, basically. Walks you through exactly how he's done it with, let's see, how many modules is it? It's 13 modules, and it actually has actionable steps with each module so that by the end, hopefully, you're already making sales. The next bonus is the ultimate copywriting and headline formula magic cheat sheet. So, this is important. No matter what you're marketing, you need to know how to write in a way that attracts people, that people want to read. So this is a very valuable resource. The next most valuable thing is a little black book of emails. It's 111 pre-written emails. Okay? So I want to stress the importance of building your email list no matter what kind of business you're doing online. Whether you're in an MLM, whether you're affiliate marketing on Amazon, whether you're with the Home Business Academy doing affiliate marketing here, or you have your own products and you're trying to sell them online. No matter what business you're in, it is super, super important to build your email list. And this bonus gives you 111 pre-written emails that you can tweak and edit to your own use, and a masterclass that explains to you exactly how to use them effectively. I also would like to point out that for the $10 level, you also have access to an email autoresponder CRM for no extra cost. So the 111 pre-written emails coupled with the email autoresponder that you get, the value in that is insane because you can start building your email list right away without paying for any other products. There's a ton of other valuable stuff in this bonus vault, but those are the three like big hitters to me, the most valuable things that are in there. If you add up the cost of what these different products would be if you bought them different places or if you bought them separately, you're easily looking at over $1,500 in value of resources right here. Now, stop and think about that, please, for a second. The Affiliate Marketing Domination course, the 111 emails, the email masterclass, and the copywriting cheat sheet. All of that, plus an email autoresponder, a daily goal tracker, and more bonuses that I didn't even talk about for $10. $10 a month, that's it. That gives you access to all of that. Obviously, we have a ton of other stuff that I mentioned at the $160 a month level. And that's something that you're going to have to make a decision about later. But if you get in at the $10 level, then you can see what it has to offer. $10 is less than the cost of getting lunch for the family. And you're getting tools that can genuinely change what your business looks like 6 months from now. So if you're sitting there right now thinking that you need to figure everything out on your own, or that you can't afford to invest in real tools right now, this is your sign that you actually can. For $10, you can have the same resources that some of the people running serious businesses use every single day. And if you want to see all of the tools that we have to offer and each subscription level that we have and how it all works as a residual income stream, go check out the Turnkey Residual Income System. I'm going to put the link in the description. It can pay you up to $128 per customer per month in residual commissions. And the Done For You sales system handles all of the selling so you don't have to. Both of the links are in the description. The link to the $10 product and the link to the full turnkey system. I hope that you found this inspiring and helpful. I really hope you try it out because it's more value than you will even know what to do with. You're going to do great, and I'll see you in the next video.